Just making a quick video to show this automatic air compressor. It seems pretty solid. It's a good build. Really, it's got the rubber buttons. You just hold the on button for a few seconds. And it comes on. It has got memory functionality. So it can remember like the car, a car tire pressure. That's user defined, so you can make it your own, whatever you use the most. A ball, a bike, and a motorbike. You can also change it yourself. Also comes with a torch and a warning light, like a, not warning, maybe as a warning light, but also like an SOS call, and it's USB-C rechargeable. So I'll just test this out on my bike. And it's got a little nozzle there. You should just twist in. I'm doing this one-handed, which makes it show how easy it is. That's on. I won't go all the way up just now, but yeah, very fast, very clean, and works really well.
To jeszcze.
Brilliant little thing.